IGOTI ni INENE ria KERUGOYA mbere ya MUCIRITHANIA Richard Mwogo nikuo mwene KIRABU ya California John MURIITHI akinyiria gumirwo ni thitango cia njuragano cia andu 20 aria manyuire njohi kirabu-ini giake niguo kumenya kana ni ekurekerio na MBUNDI kana aca.
John MURIITHI
ekuirwo atano hamwe nao maabitha na borithi ya kiama ciri aria mekwagirwo kwendia njohi thumu iria igitwo ceceni-ini ino ta wira kuri MURIITHI ni marekereirio no igoti rikirega kurekeria MURIITHI na MBUNDI gukirikana muture wake uri hatika-ini kumana na matuko ya maikari.
The accused is at risk of being lynched by irate members of the public and that his residence and other properties were burnt down by those members. This also has not been contested. The accused has been charged with other offences in 8 cases filed in Baricho. The defence pointed out, however, that in those cases he has been bonded in respect of each of them.
No na thengia wa mawakiri yake kwira igoti ati ni mamwetheire kundu wa guthamira mwena wake no na ni arikinyagia igoti-ini hindi ria arabatarania undu uyu ndunakinyanira kuona mwena wa thitango gitongore ni Vincent Mamba ni wirire igoti ati MURIITHI angirekererio ni eguthoga wira na hota kura ta uria ageretie kura hindi ria mutino uyu wahanikire.
The state has given an affidavit opposing the grant of bail, and the DPP in particular pointed out the averments in paragraphs 5 to 8 of the affidavit of IP Michael Arusei. In essence, the affidavit indicates as follows. Paragraph 5, the accused is a flight risk and was arrested at Sagana as he was trying to escape after the incidences were reported.
Agikinyaniria ITUA riri MUCIRITHANIA Richard Mwogo augite MURIITHI guthie na mbere kuhingirwo nginya riria ira 7 cira-ini uyu makarikia kuheana wira wao.
I view the failure of the defense to respond to the averments above as a matter of substance. Whilst it is true that the accused has a constitutional right to bail, that right is subject to the existence of compelling reasons. Compelling reasons place the interests of the accused in tension with the interests of the victims, the interests of the state, and the interests of the public.
No Mwogo ugite ati kuringana na gatiba MURIITHI ari na kihoto gia kuheo MBUNDI indi ikihoya riri weru thutha wa ira kurikia kuheana wira wao gatagati-ini ga thiku 60 nginya 90.
Prepared to retain the bail application as pending until after the hearing of the 7 witnesses who were identified by the state as crucial, and who may be easily interfered with as they are all blind.
Airaya 7 ni aria mahutirio ni mutino uyu na magitigwo matari na uhoti wa kuona. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma igoti inene ria KERUGOYA kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.